I just have no regrets when it comes to my relationship with my father, except for the lack of time. When he was here, he was living life with a happiness that wasn't there before. And I think it was because he did the things that he loved alongside the things that he had to do. You know, spending time in nature. My dad was in the surf, like, you ask anyone, like 350 days of the year, you know, no matter the weather. He's like, didn't even wear a wetsuit. Like, just that connection that he had, and to see that kind of enhance his life for the last years that he was with us. I just got to see the true happiness that you can have when you put yourself into the right environment and you're spending time with people that, you know, are really open to having positive relationships. I miss him and I'd give anything for like 5 minutes with him, but I just have so many amazing, like, just experience with him that I don't miss him so much. And I can't, it's hard to put that into words because of course you miss your parent who's passed on. But man, he gave me the he gave me everything. It was a special situation where he was here, somewhere he loved and that just adored the people, where it kind of bled out into, you know, his interactions with people, but then back to us as his kids. Like, I just feel super lucky that I got to experience him in a place where he loved and his life was in a good spot.